Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, or the challenge I guess you could say. We are on day 15 of the challenge where I'm trying to make $500 as fast as I can from woodworking. As you know, I'm just a 16-year-old here that is in central Alberta, trying to run a little woodworking business while I'm at school and stuff like that. But today we are going to be finishing this. As you see, during the glue up, got quite a big rock there. We're gonna have to cut some, try to do one nice cut here, make sure it's all straight and whatnot, all the legs fit or sit nice. And then we also are gonna be doing some chiseling and stuff like that on it. But we also did get another custom order, and we'll talk about that later. Here we go. Hey guys, so I got some bad news with that tree cookie stand. I messed up on the cut for it, and I was just off by a little bit, but I knew already that we were going to be close to the height requirements for it, and with the one piece, with how small it was at the beginning. So, but yeah, it's done. It's too small now to keep trying more cuts and stuff like that, which it's all right. I kind of knew. I'll show you some other problems with it, just so you guys can see. Yeah. So here's one problem, is these gaps here. Just trying to mesh this whole thing up with, just trying to mesh this whole thing together. I just knew that, like, these gaps, it was going to be hard to shape that and make it all look kind of natural. So I'm kind of happy, honestly, that that project's garbage, but here we go. It's all right, because I went through for a little walk in the bush and I found this piece. See, this piece is already one nice piece, and all I need to do is do two cuts, hopefully just with the chainsaw here, and that will be a perfect base for this. And I think it will honestly look maybe a lot better too, and be, yeah. Because that is one tree trunk sort of thing. And that was just kind of pieced together. But anyways, on a good note, we are still happy, I guess, here. But also, we will be starting on another custom order. We have a big custom order here for a 5-foot bench with base and everything, and it's about 18 to 20 inches wide. So that's why I brought in this guy to dry. It has to dry for a little bit, just get the snow. Even though it's been drying for about 2 years now, I'm just gonna leave it in here, let it dry out for maybe a couple days. But also, we also did get done this, and we're gonna also use this board that we have up. And that board, biscuit joining them together. This is already 5 feet or a little bit longer, so that will be kind of how big this thing will be. 2 of these together. So it's going to be quite a big thing. $300, $320 order. But yeah. So we're going to do that, and we're going to also finish up some. But yeah, that's going to be to come. But we're also just going to do a quick coat of epoxy, just finish up some more stuff in that, and hopefully get those for sale soon too. And yeah, I'm sorry guys, I didn't really get very much done today. I messed up on that project, and yeah, I just think it's better. I'm a little bit mad about that, I guess, even though I did say I was happy, but still you're always a little bit mad, you know, you got pretty far on that. But I'm gonna start that thing tomorrow, hopefully, and let this dry out for a couple days, and then we'll get started on that mega build. Thanks for watching, and we're gonna do some epoxy here. Yeah, I did also just get some bad news today about the car. The front brakes are all worn out. Got to replace the front brakes. And that's going to be about $800. $800 to $1,000. So that's not too good. But we got to prepare for these things, right? So that's why we're going to really try to go very hard in the wood shop here. And get some stuff done. But thanks for watching. And please subscribe.